Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. I'm Jeremy Ganding, born on May 24, 2001, 24 years old from Agusan del Sur, Philippines. I am single parent and blessed with 5 years old daughter. I am high school graduate and I like cooking, cleaning, taking good care of child. I work as a housemaid in the Philippines for 4 years and 2 months from February 2021 to April 2025. I serve one couple and 7 years old child.
Hello, Miss Jeremy Ganding. How are you today?
I'm good and thank you, sir.
May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties are taking care of the whole family, providing the service that they need.
Okay, can you tell to us about your daily activities from the morning that you wake up until the night you enter bed?
My daily activities and duties are doing the household chores such as cleaning, organizing, and home doing laundry, ironing, cooking, and taking care of them.
Okay, since this is your first time to work abroad as domestic helper, how will you overcome homesickness?
Sir, I can overcome homesickness by keeping myself busy to the work and tasks given.
What if you committed mistake and your employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, I will apologize for what happened and I will do my best not to commit the same mistake, and it's that case I should learn from my mistakes and identify areas for improvements.
Okay, what if the mother of your employer cannot speak in English? How will you
Sir,
communicate with her?
sir, I will use sign language and I will study on how to understand and to speak their language.
Okay, what is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their food on time, check if their clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
Can you sing a nursery rhyme to the children?
Yes, sir. Like the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, so how will you maintain a safe environment for the children?
Make sure doors and windows are always closed. Keep sharp objects away and keep harmful materials out of their reach.
What is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diapers if it's wet. Feed the baby on time and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby. Once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household and chores.
What if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call and inform my employer, the parents, and call a doctor for help and advice.
Okay, so what are the assurance of your employer that they won't regret if they will choose you?
I am hardworking, trustworthy, and I can easily learn. I always make sure that I understand the employer instructions clearly at all time.
Do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I badly need this job. It will help me to grow as a person, and it will be a big help for me. For my family, I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
Okay, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Cherry May Ganding, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Sir, thank you. And I am looking forward to work with as soon as possible.